What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video here at Benny's Kitchen. Now, today I feel like eating something Italian. I don't know. Madeline, my ex-wife, yeah, we get along. Anyway, my ex-wife suggested I do lasagna. And I love lasagna. But, I gotta keep it kind of healthy. I gotta start eating a little better. So, I was thinking we could do a 3-cheese eggplant lasagna with some chicken Bolognese. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how to make that. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Alright, so to begin, the 3 cheeses. We have ricotta. We have Parmigiano Reggiano. We have mozzarella. All right. We're going to be needing obviously some eggplant. Now, curious thing about when you're buying eggplants, there's a male and a female eggplant. So the male eggplant has a dot and the female eggplant has like a line. So why am I saying this? Well, because the female eggplant has more seeds and the seeds tend to be a little bitter. So you want to buy the male. Anyway, so we got the eggplant. We're going to have some heavy cream. We're going to have some green bell peppers, a carrot, celery, onions, garlic, plum tomatoes, basil, oregano. I like the fresh stuff. You could use the dried stuff, but I like the fresh stuff. Obviously some ground chicken. Now, canned tomatoes. There's canned tomatoes that come in organic. And yeah, read the ingredients. Pretty much all good to go. But Great Value has this canned tomato. And one of the ingredients listed is calcium chloride. If you live up north where it snows, I'm sure you've seen some of that salt that the cities put on the roads so that the snow melts and you're able to go with your car, right? Well, that's the same thing. It's calcium chloride. Now, it's used as a preservative, obviously, but this is what gives you acid reflexes. This is what causes ulcers. So I would rather leave it fresh. So let's get to it. So you might be asking, why do I even have this if I'm not going to use it? It's good for one thing. The zombie apocalypse. I mean, think about it. You're going to need some rations when that happens. And you could also bash it on the head. Because, you got to bash the zombies on the head to kill them. You could eat it afterwards. You just got to wash the brains out. Anyway, did I lose you? I lost myself. Let's get back to doing this. Smells amazing. It's like all the elements got together just to make this one dish. It's very good. If there was one recipe that you guys tried of mine, this is the one. Well, the ceviche was good too. And the crab empanadas. And the cafecito, forget about it. Anyway, check out all my videos. And if you got time, make them. Cook at home. It's a lot healthier. Take pictures. Give them to me. Let me see what you're doing with them. All right? Tweak it. Make it your own. All right? Anyway. Modeling, great suggestion. I wish you guys were here to try it. I really do. It's very good. So keep cooking and keep eating. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.